Whether it's a routine oil change or a more complicated engine repair, there's no better place to take your vehicle for service than Galpin Ford.
Heating, ventilating, and air conditioning. For us, it's what keeps us warm in the winter and cool in the summer. For our vehicle, it's what keeps it from overheating and breaking down. It is critical to your car's health to keep up on the maintenance of the heating and cooling system. The majority of energy from gasoline turns into heat, and the main job of the cooling systems is to keep the engine from overheating by converting this heat into air. The cooling system uses coolant, which has the tendency to break down over time. We suggest flushing out the system once a year. If you don't, pressure gets put on the radiator and your engine runs hotter than it should. This leads to gunk building up under the hood, and eventually the overall performance of your vehicle will decline. Checking and replacing filters is another way to improve performance and gas mileage. An air filter keeps debris from entering the engine, and a fuel filter helps protect the fuel system. A properly working heating and cooling system is absolutely necessary to keep both you and your car safe.
At Galpin Ford, our Ford Motor Company trained technicians know your vehicle inside and out. They have the right equipment to diagnose any problem, the right tools to do the job efficiently, and the right Ford Motor Company and high-quality Motorcraft parts recommended for your vehicle. Call, click, or stop in for exceptional service today. We're conveniently located off the 405 freeway at the Roscoe Boulevard exit.